Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back to Yoga Basics, Learn a Yoga Pose series. Now, our last pose that we did was a seated pigeon pose, or a seated pigeon pose variation. There's several, and that we did, I believe, the second one in the series in our last one. Now, our pose that we're going to work on today is double pigeon. It's also known as fire log, okay? Now, I'm gonna do this one actually seated toward you or fronted towards you, and then I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see what it looks like from the side, okay? Now, the way we set up for this is we're gonna bring our right leg out in front of us. So think about it at about a 90-degree angle, knee in line with the hip, knee in line with the ankle. And then we're gonna cross the left leg up over the right. We're flexing our heels, right? Keeping the feet active. And then we're gonna inhale, go up, and then exhale, extend forward, and then release down. And we fold over both legs, all right? So this is double pigeon, or also known as fire log. As you may or may not know, a lot of poses may have multiple names, right? Or descriptions, depending on even what type of yoga you may be doing, okay? So today we're calling this double pigeon and we're calling it fire log. And then you just fold forward, continue just letting the body relax and release down. And I like to keep my hands close to my feet as a reminder, just to keep the feet flexed and engaged. And then inhale, come up, and then I'm gonna turn to the side when we move into the opposite side. And then very simply, we do the same thing. We bring the left leg out and then cross the right leg over. And then just readjust your seat as you need to. And then again, inhale up, exhale, lengthen, extend out. And you should feel this right away in your hips, right side in this case, and then release down, okay? And then again, use your hands, press your way up, all right? So double pigeon, fire log, all right? Now, for the next pose in the series, click in one corner or the other, and then of course Yoga Foundations will be in the opposite corner, all right? Thanks again for joining me today. We'll see you soon. Bye.